Hi Tanya, I just watched your video about Module 3, and there were some points that I agreed with and also some that I disagreed with. First point, I disagreed with when you stated how it was unfair to judge kids of a young age with certain mental health crises. So things like depression, anxiety, or any kind of trauma. I think as teachers, it is not our label to make, but I do think making recommendations for a psychologist is absolutely in the wheelhouse of a teacher or an educator or even a parent. The one thing I did agree with was when you kind of called out the teachers in America and how there's a lot of lackadaisical educators and a lot of their inabilities are being kind of highlighted in children's behavior, and that can be why they're being referenced as having mental health. I think it's really convoluted. I do think that there needs to be huge upheaval in the American educational system. I think there's a lot of teachers who probably shouldn't have their jobs anymore. But there are a lot of things happening inside the brains of little kids. I think there's a lot of undiagnosed ASD, autism spectrum disorder. I think there is a lot of help that needs to be given to families that are not asking for it and definitely not receiving it. And I think that treating trauma and anxiety needs to be a more regular thing in every early childhood classroom so that kids are better equipped to deal with the rest of their lives. Thank you. Have a great night.